This is back again. I'm honestly gonna plate it up in this. Can I have a ladle for the ladle, please? Hey guys, I'm Megan Mitchell and I'm here in the Thrive Market Test Kitchen, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a Whole30 and paleo and gluten-free chicken zoodle soup. But before I get started, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and if you're wondering what Thrive Market is, it's an online market that sells non-GMO and organic products straight to your door. Let's get started. All right, I'm making this in an Instapot, so it's all of those amazing things that I just said, and it cooks for 5 minutes, literally 5 minutes. To get started, I'm gonna hit saute, so I get this baby going, and I am using garlic ghee. Did you know that they infuse ghee with flavors? There's a vanilla bean one. I didn't, every term. They make a vanilla bean one. And like I said, this is garlic ghee, so I don't have to grate garlic or put any other garlic in it. It has that great flavor. And ghee is Whole30 approved. All right, I'm gonna add in my onion. I'm gonna use a big guy. And I just wanna saute this for about 5 minutes along with my carrots. And I'm gonna chop up 3 stalks of celery. I want them roughly the same size as my carrots and onions. Celery goes in. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. A large pinch of salt and a large pinch of pepper as well. So saute, saute. This is a great soup to have cozy winter months. It's Whole30. It can be keto. If you want to omit the carrots, you could add in some rutabaga or kohlrabi. Is that how you say it? Kohlrabi? This looks lovely. So let's add in our chicken breast. I have 3 organic, boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Whoop. You could do this with chicken thighs, but you would need to cook it longer. I'm only cooking this for 5 minutes, like I said. If it was chicken thighs, it would need to cook maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes. 6 cups of kettle and fire bone broth with turmeric and ginger, which I love those flavors. It's warm, it's cozy. In my mind, ginger and turmeric help fight cold season, so I put it in everything. Kind of looks like apple cider. So you need 6 cups of apple cider. This no longer is keto or Whole30. It's gonna taste really weird. Cancel. Stir. You're gonna find a lid somewhere. Don't know where I'm gonna find it. Found it. Found it. Okay. All right. Set your valve from venting to sealing. Hit high pressure. Pressure cook for 5 minutes. And then once it comes to pressure, it'll start cooking down 5 minutes. I'm gonna hit quick release to venting. I'll step back. I'll show you what happens. I'll show you what happens after. Stick around. Alrighty, this is cooked for 30 minutes, not really. This is cooked for 5 minutes. I quick released. And it looks great. Take the chicken out, because we're gonna shred it up. Come here, sweet pea. So these are chicken breasts. They don't need too long to cook. They literally cooked in 5 minutes. Under pressure, they are big queen fans. Okay, we're gonna shred these up with 2 forks. Just shred it up. Let's add the chicken back into the soup. Carefully, you don't want this to splatter on you, because who wants that? All right, the juice of 1 lemon, which just brightens up the soup. And I'm adding it at this point because I don't want that flavor to get lost. I don't want it to mellow out. I don't want it to become bitter. I don't know if it would, but it just brightens up the whole dish at the end. And you might think it's a little weird that I'm adding lemon to my chicken zoodle soup, but I'm adding zoodles and kale. So this isn't really how mom made it. Guys, it's a bit different. All right, I have baby kale I've roughly chopped. I always like to add greens to my pastas and my soups. It just makes me feel like I'm being healthier. This will wilt down. I'll give this a stir, and then I'm gonna show you what I like to do with my zoodles. Zoodles. If you were wondering what zoodles are, they're zucchini noodles. You can buy them pre-zoodled, pre-spiralized in the produce section, but you can also do them yourself. But they come usually long like this. So just take them, cut them, so you're not eating a huge noodle in your soup. Oh, grr. Oh, grr. I wish my hair looked like this. Whoop. Couple more. I'm gonna finish with some flat leaf parsley that I've chopped up, just to add a little little herbs to my dish. Stir, stir. These zoodles have softened, but not melted away and just broken apart. They look just Jim dandy. Zoodle. Oh, this looks so good. This is my take on a chicken noodle soup made with zoodles, so it's keto, it's Whole30. Leave out the carrots for the keto. Whole30 and paleo. It's warm, it's comforting, it's perfect for the fall, winter, when you're feeling a little sick. I hope you give it a try. You can find all the products that I use at thrivemarket.com/prepschool. Happy cooking, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna power stand through the rest of this soup recipe. Every morning I look in the mirror and I'm like, you are smart, you are confident, you are killer.
Look at me shred. Look at me shred. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop.